cia muingi niitanyite gukorwo ikihuthira aira 200 na aria makorwo magitemania uira wao iguru ria ciira uria ugumiire gavana kana Senator Jackson Mandago iguru ria kuhuthira kwa mbeca muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.1 kuri aciari na iria ciakorirwo ikiungumio aria maikorirwo makirirwo ati ciana ciao niigutwarwo igitwarwo bururiini wa Finland gukorwo igithie nambere na mathomo mao.Senator uyu hamwe na aria mathitangirwo nao ari hamwe na Mbeca Korono makorirwo magikinyio Igotiini umuthi na kuria ciira wao ukorirwo ukigwetwo mwena wa thitango kana mwena wa igoti utariria ati niuko ukihuthira fairo iria ciothe cikoretwo igitemanio iguru ria ciira uyu.
Obviously, Your Honor, given the size of the documents and the number of witness statements they are offering for the defense for purposes of rights under Article 50, will require time, Your Honor, to prepare before directions for hearing date can be given.
The issue of supply of the documents is anchored on the orders which were granted by the court on 17th August 2023 that the documents are to be supplied at their own cost. So once they bear the costs, we will be keen to supply the documents within 2 weeks. As for the time requested for preparation, we do not have an issue with that. We can take directions from the court.
Council to complete the process of discovery and obtaining the document and extend the bond within the term for all the cases of the so let me of 15th of January next year for further consideration.
Most obliged. Most obliged.
Nayo kamiti ya bunge ya Nairobi ni kinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya kigina na ni gukorwo